In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Zalando promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Zalando promo code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and you should be able to see this website right here. So as you can see, we have some promo codes right here that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if I want to get this one with 15% off my next order on Zalando, all I have to do is select view code right here. And this is the promo code. I can simply tap right here to copy this promo code, and if I'm going to use this one on my next purchase, I should be able to get that 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website right here. And as you can see, we also have some promo codes right here that we can use. For example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with 5% discount, simply select the option right here to see the code. And this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code and apply this one on the next purchase to get a discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.